Did you know that sometimes an LG TV can start working again with just a simple screwdriver? I thought LG users should try this method because it has helped more than 50% of users who face this issue. Yes, in many cases you don't need expensive repairs or a technician. But before we start, there is something important. If your TV is still under warranty, do not try this yourself. Instead, take it to an official service center. Also, if your LG TV has a black screen but still has sound, or if it's stuck on a black screen and won't respond, I've already made detailed videos on how to fix those problems. You can check them out on my channel after watching this video. Now let's begin. Step 1. Remove the back screws. First, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Turn your TV around and remove all the screws from the back panel. Most of the screws are easy to find, but pay close attention to two specific screws. One is usually located in the middle section, and another one is on the right side of the panel. These two are often the hardest to notice. Make sure you remove all the screws and keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Step 2. Open the back cover. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the back cover of the TV. Opening LG TV panels is usually very simple. If the back cover does not come off easily, it probably means there is still a screw left somewhere. So check again before trying to force it open. Step 3. Tighten the internal screws. Now here is the important part. Many times when a TV keeps restarting, turning off, or showing a black screen, the issue can be something very simple. Sometimes the internal screws that hold the circuit boards become slightly loose over time. This is especially common with smart TVs mounted on the wall because vibration and heat can slowly loosen the screws. What you need to do is very simple. Carefully tighten the screws that hold the internal boards. Do not remove the boards and do not touch the electronic components. Just make sure the screws are tightened properly. And remember, if you don't have technical experience, avoid touching anything else inside the TV. Step 4. Reassemble the TV. After tightening the screws, place the back cover back onto the TV. Put all the screws back in their original positions. Once everything is secure, plug the TV back in and turn it on to test it. In our case, the TV turned on immediately after doing this. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smart TV troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.